India is a land of festivals with over 1.4 billion people and a mix of religions, traditions, and cultures. Every month seems to bring a celebration. But here is the big question: are these celebrations losing their meaning? Are they becoming a burden instead of a blessing? Let's dig into the history, see what's happening today, and understand why this is a problem. The rich history of Indian celebrations. From ancient times, Indian festivals have been about more than just joy. They brought communities together, celebrated nature, and reminded us of values like sharing, compassion, and unity. For example, Diwali celebrates the victory of good over evil. Holi is about letting go of past grudges and starting fresh. Eid, Christmas, and Pongal each have deep stories that tie people together. These festivals weren't just parties, they were life lessons wrapped in joy. They brought families together, strengthened bonds, and respected nature. But let's fast forward to today. What's happening now? Modern celebrations. What's changing? Over time, many things have changed. Globalization, consumerism, and the influence of social media have redefined how we celebrate. Let's see some examples. Example 1. Lavish spending. Earlier, celebrations were simple and meaningful, but now many festivals have become a competition. People spend lakhs or even crores on weddings, decorations, and parties. Are we celebrating or are we just trying to show off? Second example, environmental damage. Pollution is a big issue. During Diwali, the air quality in many cities becomes toxic. Rivers are polluted with waste after immersing idols during Ganesh Chaturthi or Durga Puja. Is this how we honor nature? Social divide. Celebrations often ignore the less fortunate. While some people spend lavishly, others struggle to get 2 meals a day. The gap between the rich and poor becomes painfully visible. Loss of meaning. Many festivals have lost their soul. Instead of learning values, people are more focused on Instagram posts, selfies, and trending hashtags. Are we celebrating for real or just for the likes? The problems in detail. So why does this matter? Let me break it down for you. First, environmental problems. Massive pollution during festivals is harming the environment. Firecrackers, waste, and chemicals are damaging our air, water, and soil. It's a ticking time bomb for future generations. Next, financial stress. People feel pressured to spend beyond their limits to keep up with social expectations. This leads to loans, debts, and financial instability. Next, cultural erosion. The true meaning of festival is fading. Instead of togetherness and gratitude, people focus on materialism and competition. The younger generation might never understand the rich history of these traditions. Finally, mental health issues. Comparison and competition during festivals create stress, jealousy, and feelings of inadequacy. Social media amplifies this problem, making people feel they are not good enough. What can be done? Now, it's not all bad news. We can fix this if we want to. Here are some solutions. First, simplify celebrations. Focus on togetherness, not extravagance. Celebrate with your loved ones in meaningful ways, not just expensive ones. Second, be eco-friendly. Use eco-friendly products and say no to pollution. Celebrate in ways that respect nature, like planting trees instead of bursting crackers. Next, help the needy. Share your happiness with the less fortunate. Donate food, clothes, or money. It's the true spirit of celebration. Finally, educate the next generation. Teach kids the real meaning of festivals. Share stories, explain rituals, and involve them in traditions. They are the future. Conclusion. Celebrations are supposed to bring us closer to each other, to nature, and to our values. If we lose sight of that, we are losing something precious. Let's pause and think. Are we celebrating for the right reason, or are we just wasting our time, money, and energy? The choice is yours. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread awareness and bring back the real meaning of celebrations. Until next time, stay mindful and stay kind. Jai Hind.